Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Roblox needs to quit. To know how to fix or how to solve your problem of Roblox needs to quit, you should just go to settings and you click. After that, in this page you click on apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page, you'll enter to this window of Roblox and you will click. Here in this list of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will go to click storage. Here in this page you will click clear cache, and in the end of all these steps then you can turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.